Hi everybody, meet my mom.
Hi.
There's ants in my car.
No, there's not.
No.
There's a snake in my boot. Alright, well, that's okay.
I just want you to be warm.
I'm warm. I got Crocs.
There's no warmth in those things.
How dare you bad talk my
and you
car.
have holy pants. Alright, I gotta go to meet
Okay, bye, I love you.
I want to pray over you guys. Oh,
Okay.
don't take my hat off. I haven't washed my hair.
Put my hair behind my ears.
Okay.
Alright, we got both the cars loaded down. A whole bunch of snacks. It's the main priority. And going to pick up some more homies. And then we're going to fall level down. Let's do it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mama! Where's Arby? There he is. Hey, buddy, come here. Arby wants to come with us. He's confused. There's Kaizen. She's coming down tomorrow. My dad will be bringing her. Bye, buddy. I'm sorry. No, I'm so sorry. Bye, Arby.
See ya.
Bye. Picking up that homie Naeem. Oh, you gotta clean some crap out of the way. Thanks, bud. Just wait till you sit in it and realize that your head's against the ceiling.
Where does this go?
You can just throw it on top of the crap in the back. All right, we made it. We're alive. Can't see anything. Is that a doggo? Hey, look, it's Naeem. And here's the night team homies. We're alive. We made it. There's a school bus towing a drift car over there.
Are you going on her Instagram? Look over here.
There we go.
What up?
I was about to say, there's
The voices, I'm like,
there's 4 dudes, or there's 3 dudes in there right now. There's about to be a 4th one.
The deal again, like as we currently
How you guys doing?
It's up.
hey, how you doing?
I know, you guys are keeping warmth. I'm about to hop in there with you. Anybody want some food before I come in there?
Will you go grab my Nintendo Switch? I'm down to play some Minecraft right now.
I got you, dog. Hang on.
All right,
Where is it? There you go.
Hey, don't put that on the YouTube. I can't let them know what
I'm helping.
All right, Josh is finally here. Update for the night. We got the big tent set up. Matches the little tent. Naeem's being a light holder. He has no arms. If you guys don't remember Josh, he was in that video where Naeem and I went up north, and he drives a cool SR vert, and he's really dope. So yeah, that's it. Good night. So you guys always make fun of me for my Crocs. Here's another one. Croc gang. Croc gang. Hey, how are you?
I did that just for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Look at me being in D1.
Working.
There's Brandon's PTSD wall. Scaring all the NASCAR dudes because they're making right turns out here. So slippery. There's no oil in that one. Probably looks so good. Hey! Sweet! The hatch is here, brother. Hey. Yeah.
It looks like it's time for a new turbo.
What?
Time for a new turbo.
Excuse me. My turbo's coming. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna get a board. There's still no shaft. Well, there you go. That's where it is. Somewhere decently considered.
Just don't let it blow away.
After shop towels.
Wow, that sounded great.
Somebody hold this. Get on the other side. Yeah. We're in here.
Oh man. It's about to go down. You better be doing this for money.
It doesn't look like it's
You gotta make the episode interesting.
Yeah. Went swimming when it was like 5 degrees outside. Watch, I'm gonna get bit by a snake.
Is it bad?
No. Oh, it's so heavy. Filled with water.
Mission successful.
I'll do my best. So much. That was awesome. There you go. Hey, buddy. I expect great things from you guys. update. Now y'all get to cry together. So my car started breaking up, so I pulled the spark plug out, and you can see it right there. Brandon, I'm using your phone, so don't mute it. The threads are messed up, and it will not go into the hole again. So my 6-cylinder spark plug does not exist anymore. The plugs are fine, the hole's not. I'm gonna see if we can fix it, but if not, pair the coupe. Update again. That's all you need to see. Joseph eating a hot dog. Josh is over there being a goddess and making us all hot dogs. We made a run to Walmart earlier to get some stuff, and he's a wonderful human being. I wish you guys could smell how good it smells right now. And in reference to the spark plug issue, we went and got a tap from Advanced Auto Parts and re-tapped it. Mitch, this guy with this really clean S14 right here, he works at Nissan, so I trusted him to re-tap it. So we got some axle grease and threaded it on there so the shavings wouldn't go in the cylinder. And then spark plug threaded in there. I'm gonna leave it in there and not touch it and go get some new spark plugs for the rest of them. And then hopefully the car will be back out there ripping again. So this is all you need to see. I hope you know this is gonna be the part at the end of the video where it's really slow motion while Hula Blues plays in the background. End of the day here. I know you guys can't really see anything because it's dark, but it's we got the car back together and it was literally wonderful. Everybody's kind of chilling outside. Everybody's got different music going. We're all kind of hanging out together. Not really sure what the plan is. Not sure if we'll film it or if it will be worth filming or if it should be filmed. But if there isn't an update, then we'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna sleep in the tent. We got a extension cord and some power strips to charge everything. And yeah, so
It's been a great day.
it's been a wonderful day.
Yes, it has. It's been lit.
I can't even see you.
Yeah, because I'm black.
I see your teeth. That's
Oh,
it.
you see
I
my
your
eyes?
teeth. When you do that, I can't. Oh goodness. Bruh. Come here. What you doing? Stop it. Hey, this is my editing partner. His name is Arby. It's Tuesday now. No, it's Wednesday now. And just kind of going through all the footage from this weekend, and I wanted to say thank you to iTrack Motorsports. I've said it before in videos, they're amazing. Matt is incredible for what he's doing, and there's so much stuff happening next year. It's going to be amazing. Secondly, everyone that came with me, Naeem, Joseph, Brandon, and Josh. Also, thanks to my dad. He drove my hatch down there, and he drove by himself, and huge thank you to him. There was no way we could have done this weekend. This video would not have been as fun if he had not driven the hatch down there. So massive thank you to my dad. Josh drove from North Carolina to come hang out. It was like 6.5 hours. And he wasn't even driving. It was literally just to come and hang out and follow us around in a Subaru and be a camera car. Thanks to Joseph, Brandon, Naeem, all those guys for the footage that they filmed, because this video would just be like 1 or 2 perspectives if it wasn't for them. Joseph pretty much was like by himself walking around with the camera all day, so huge shout out to him, and huge shout out to him for driving all the way down here and all the way home. So yeah, thanks for watching, and there will be another video of the second day later this week. I'm not sure when. But yeah, so Fall Double Down was amazing. I still wish we were driving, but yeah, thanks. Bye. He doesn't want to be here. He just wants to nap.